Dinkem Nono. Welcome back to Learning with Nelo. Can you tell somebody what you're doing now? What you already did, what you did in the past, and what you do in the future, all in Igbo. If Igbo verbs have ever confused you, don't worry. Today I'm giving you a simple Igbo time machine. We are going to take one verb and travel through time. Now, before, already, and later. And by the end, you'll be able to travel through time yourself. Are you ready? Let's go. Time zone now. Now, ubua, ubua. Now, if you want to talk about something that is happening now in Igbo, you will use na. Na before the verb. Na means is or am in Igbo. Okay? Now, the verb we're going to be using is ga, which is go. Now, if you want to say is going, you say naga, naga. Now, what if you want to say he is going? You say onaga, onaga. If you want to add work to it, if he is going to work, you say onagoro. Oro is work. Onagoro. He is going to work or she is going to work. It's simple. Just add na to the verb and you're good to go. Onaga, naga. It's as simple as that. Time zone 2. Before. Mbegaraga. Time that has passed. Now, the going has happened. He has gone. Now, to turn an Igbo verb to the past form, you add the letter re to it and then repeat the vowel sound that is already inside that verb. Repeat it at the back. For example, ga, add re to ga. Then what vowel sound is in ga? What is the vowel in ga? Is it ge or a? It is a that's the vowel. Now you repeat it. Now it becomes gara. You get? Now let's use another example here now. Let's say that the verb we want to use is see. See is cook. Now, if you want to turn see to the past form, you just add re and then repeat the e in it, becomes siri. Let's say it is ba we want to use, which is run. Ba. You want to turn it to past. Now you add re and then add the I again. It becomes bara, which is ran. Let's go back to our sentence. Now we want to say he went to work. O garoro. O garoro. You get? It's very, very easy, very simple. Time zone 3. Already, which is present perfect. Now our journey is slightly different because the action has already been completed. In English, we use have or has to express it. Now our sentence changes to he has gone to work. He has gone to work. In Igbo, to express that, we only add la to the end of the verb. This is actually very simple. Ogaloro. Ogaloro. He has gone to work or she has gone to work. La every time. If it is he has cooked. Osielanri. Osielanri. Do you understand? Simple. It's very, very simple. Okay. Are you ready to jump forward? Odinihu, the future. Now, when we want to talk about the future, we use ga to express it. Ga. That's it. Ga. Ge. A. Now, how will you say he will go to work? Ọ ga-aga ọrụ. Ọ ga-aga ọrụ. Ọ ga-aga ọrụ. Isn't this simple and amazing? It is. Look at what you just did. One verb, 4 time zones. Now, ọ na-aga ọrụ. Before, ọ gara ọrụ. Already, ọ gaala ọrụ. Later, ọ ga-aga ọrụ. Now, this is your Igbo time machine. Okay? Now it's your turn. No cheating. Now, you're going to give me the different forms of this verb, which is bia. Bia is come. You already know the pattern. Bia. So, now, what will it be? Na bia. What of before? Past. Biara. What of already? Biala. Biala. What of future? Future. Gabia. Gabia. That is good. One last test. If you get all 4, if you get 4 of them, you have passed the time machine challenge. Okay? Now, the sentence before me is just you and come. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, inabia. Inabia. Before, that's past tense. Ibiara. Ibiara. Good. Already, you have come. Ibiala. Ibiala. Good. What of later? Future. Igabia. Igabia. That is good. If you got all 4, congratulations. You've just traveled through 4 Igbo time zones. Don't just watch this once. You can go through the challenge again. Try to answer first before I read the answers. Okay? Share this with someone who is learning Igbo. Let's see who will pass the Igbo time machine challenge. Subscribe to learn Igbo with Nelo. We are building a complete practical Igbo library. Yeah. Remember, I'm still your surest Igbo plug. So for your group or personal Igbo lessons, send me a message. I'll see you in the next one. Kari.